This is a brand new 2014 Lamborghini Aventador. This car has an automatic transmission, a 6.5-liter V12, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a sunroof, a limited-slip differential, a sport-tuned suspension, a power retractable hardtop, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning, steering wheel mounted controls, front multi-stage airbags, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, external temperature display, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, LED taillights, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.